Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia and I do handbag reviews and a little bit of everything. This time I have a video for you, and the video is going to be about what's on my Dior Bobby bag. And yes, this is my first purchase of 2021. Adding a piece of Dior into my collection means a lot because I do not own any Dior pieces. I like this bag. Oh my god, the first time really that I saw this bag on social media, I wasn't really like attracted to it, but little by little I decided to go into the Dior boutique and look into bags, and this bag draw my attention. It's the medium size of the Bobby bag and it's the cloud blue color. Oh my god, this I don't know, it looks so nice. What I like more about the bag is that it looks like very classy, very simple. A lot of people says that it's just a plain bag, but to me that makes it unique. You know, I wanted to have a bag that you can use it as like everyday bag. I can use it like to run errands. And I don't know, it's just look at it. It's just so beautiful. It has a back pocket in the back and it says 30 Montaigne. Maybe you guys can see it more like here. So gorgeous. And it has a CD for Christian Dior. It has a magnetic closure and the Christian Dior on the little pocket over here, and the interior is suede material. The code for the bag, it's over here, like right here, in case you guys want to know. The inside is just a plain, opening. When I first saw this bag, I wasn't really happy with the opening because I was like, why they didn't just like open it completely so I can just put my, my stuff. But it's okay. It didn't really bother me. But what I like about the bag, it comes with a detachable strap, and the detail on this strap, look, there is a Christian Dior engraved on the gold hardware. In the website it says antique, right? But you can really adjust it. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. I just love this. This is kind of like a cloud blue but a mix with gray. I just have that feeling, And it comes in 3 sizes, the small one, the medium, and the large one. This is the medium one. This medium bag comes with a leather strap, like the small one. But the large one is the one that comes with a thicker strap that says Christian Dior. The medium and the small size comes with a leather strap. Oh my god. Let's see what fits on this bag. Okay. Okay, it fits. We need to insert one way and then the other way, right? But it fits. I still have some space in here, so I'll put my 6 key ring holder. My wipes. And my, what is this? A brush, a hairbrush. All right, and it's pretty stuff. All right, so on this bag, just the full zippy size wallet already took most of the space, but if you have like a smaller wallet, it will be better, of course. Let me show you guys how that look on my body frame, which I'm 5'3". I also wanted to show you the comparison between my bag and the Chloe Tess bag. Kind of like similar to it. Like the Tess is smaller and you can fit more stuff in the Bobby bag than a Tess bag. I kind of like wanted to compare it because it kind of like has the same vibe. I don't know if you guys think the same thing as me, but I kind of like think it has like the Ralph Lauren vibe. What do you think? Let me show you also a comparison between the Pochette tees and the Bobby. The Pochette tees, of course, it's more like a messenger bag, and you can fit more stuff on the pochette. And I wanted to also mention that I tried the large size, and the large one was big for my body frame. It looked more like a messenger bag. I thought it was too big for me. It would be like the perfect size because I would just, put a lot of stuff because I carry a lot of stuff for my kids and stuff, but it looks so big. So I decided to get the medium one, and I'm so happy. Let me give you the dimensions on this bag. 22 by 17 by 6 centimeters. So much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe into my channel for more unboxings, and I'm on Instagram as Bag Love and Style. Take care. Bye bye.